Hello everybody and welcome to Pandoras Box video tutorials. Today I like to show you our new advanced import feature from Pandoras Box version 8. The advanced import dialog allows for simple and efficient content handling. It not only saves you a big amount of time, but also has some very comfortable features. Using the advanced import feature reduces hours of work by just adding image sequences and other content to your Pandoras Box project. In the Asset tab, do a right-click on the root folder where your content is located and select Advanced Import. And the Advanced Import dialog will open. Don't worry, depending on how many files you like to import, this can take a few seconds for the first time because Pandoras Box needs to analyze the folder's content. On the left side of the dialog you can find the folder structure of the selected repository and the files contained within. With the first column of checkboxes, you can choose which files to import upon pressing OK. You can select the whole folder with one click, or you can choose exactly which folders and sequences shall be imported and which not. Additionally, you can decide whether the other settings should apply to all files in the same way, or whether you like to change them individually, depending on the content. The section next to the first checkbox is only important for image sequences and is only available if the respective folder contains solely image files. As you can see, the video folder does not have this section because it contains video files. So, the second checkbox here imports the folder's content as an image sequence. If you uncheck it, the content will be imported as single images. The next two rows specify the frame rate of each sequence and the number of threads for the playback. This allows you to import sequences with different frame rates at the same time and lets you also assign different numbers of threads if you have, for example, different kinds of formats. And you can also select what shall be used as a name for the asset in the project tree later. You can choose between the folder name or the name of the first image file. Of course, this can be done folder-wise or for each sequence separately. If you check a box or change a setting of a folder, the action will be adopted for all subfolders and all files within the subfolder. You can also change settings for multiple files at once by selecting them with Ctrl or Shift-click. Last but not least, you can also either keep the folder structure of the directories you are going to import, or simply import all sequences and files directly into the selected project folder without any subfolder structure. As you can see, all files were imported at once. This feature saves time and money. It has a high value for operators in saving time from unnecessary tasks, as well as for installers not being forced to pay for assembly line work on site. It will push your efficiency to the next level. Have fun and thank you for watching.